Hey there tech enthusiasts. Party Popper, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of Windows' most underrated tools, the Snipping Tool. Let's make your screenshots look snazzy in no time. First things first, let's find the Snipping Tool. Simply hit the Windows key and type, Snipping Tool. Easy, right? Pro. Tips: press Windows key plus Shift key plus R shortcut to open the Snipping Tool. Now, let's explore the different snip modes. Click on New, and you'll see 4 options: Freeform, Rectangular, Window, and Full Screen Snip. Freeform lets you draw any shape you want. Rectangular is perfect for precise captures. Window snip grabs an entire window, and Full Screen captures everything on your screen. Need annotate snips? No problem. Use the pen, highlighter, and eraser tools to add notes or highlight important parts. Just select the tool you need and start drawing. It's that simple. Did know you can also delay your snip? Click on Delay, and choose the time you need. Perfect for capturing those tricky drop-down menus. Once you're done, save your snip or copy it to the clipboard. You can even share it directly via email. Open the Snipping Tool settings and choose where to save your videos and screenshot. And there you have it. The Snipping Tool is your new best friend for quick screen recording and easy screenshots. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech tips. Thank you for watching.